OMG. What? Ah. 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 Yeah, now he got stuck. Hey, look at the claws. We're gonna try him again, and then this happened. I'll just hit him again. Try my full strength, and then this happened. I'll just spray alcohol instead, just watch. Guys, I now got an alcohol, now let's spray. And this happened. It turned to a spider. Let's add some more. Let's spray in some more. Wait. Hey, it turned to in half. I mean in here. It's still crawling. Now he feel it. Yeah. I see another ant. I'm just gonna make a video again. See you luck and good luck and picture for the ants. And here, look, it's a C version of an ant. Now just watch. It's still moving, but it's a C version. Look at the claws in the back. It's still alive. Or let's just put it out. Then, see you tomorrow.